So today we'll be going to Annual Star to celebrate Mommy She's birthday. Say happy birthday, Mommy She.
Happy birthday, Mommy She.
Yeah. So we're going out, guys, and see you there.
By the way, this video is very old na. I mean, last month pa to. But ngayon ko lang siya na-edit. So, these two girls, first time lang nila dito. So, pagpasok nila, they were really amazed.
Can we go here again and again?
You have to tell Papa.
For many times.
So, ganun sila ka-amazed. Million times daw. Wala, nagtagalog lagi ko. So, magtagalog lang ko hakay para masabdan sa tanan. So, pagkarating namin dito, si Maring LV agad ang nagsugat sa among mga beauty.
Oh no! Tagalog ko no, pero di ka survive.
Pero timang hangop ni Maring LV diri oy. Oh, pusing-pusing lang muna oy. Hanggang pusing lang tayo, o diba? You know what, guys? Sa mall na to, feeling ko sobrang pulubi ko talaga. So pagkatingin ko sa kabila, oy, si paring Gucci naman dito.
Buti na lang no, walang entrance dito. At least man lang no, makapusing tayo sa mga brands na to, o diba? What, Loki? Up, Loki, up!
Toys machine.
Toys machine? Huh? Papa J? Yes, we're gonna meet Papa J. But we're not going to their house. We're not going to their house.
Ayaw. Uli.
No, uli. You want to go uli na? Uli na ta?
No.
Ano, okay. So mga guys, kung ari mo diri kinahanglan mapapicture jud mo ani diri for great souvenir, o diba? So magtrabaho muna tayo dito. Magtatrabaho na yung Filingon, o diba? Filingong artista. Artista na ako rin nakahibaw. Mga puro atik ra. Pero tinud-anay na di ay. So dito naman, feeling Dora ako. Naghahanap kung saan yung Fina na yon. So ito, pa-smile lang. Andito lang pala to si Fina sa likod ni Casino. Ang dami palang kainan dito. So ayun, at last, nagkita na rin kami ni Aling Fena. O diba? Kung makaaling, grabe. So the whole gang is here. Ang saya-saya talaga pag ganito. So pag ganito talagang moments, so priceless talaga. Super precious moments. Aside from my kuya and my husband, these two persons in here are the most precious men in my life. I hope my dad will still see Luke in his 20s in God's time, o diba? Kung titignan mo si Luke, he was very excited kasi naintindihan niya, guys. These kids understands easily good. Ala si Luke. Si Marcos, asan si Marcos? Ato pa ni. So it's a picture taking time for these kiddos, these cute little ones. And the auntie-las are here. Kaway-kaway dyan. With the help of Uncle Petey na sigilag panggigil. So Morato, thanks for watching.